Here's the answer for the round 33, day 3 bell work. Here is an algebraic expression. A is a constant. If the expression is equal to bx and b is a constant, what is the value of b? Looks like some simplifying on this would be helpful. This beginning part looks like something we can do FOIL with. So 4x times ax is 4ax squared. And then the outer product from the FOIL is negative 4x. The inner product from the FOIL is positive 4ax. And then last is negative 1. There's also a negative x squared and a plus 4. Now some combining like terms. Here's an x squared term, and over here is an x squared term. So to combine like terms, you combine the coefficients. So we have a 4a and then a minus 1. And that is multiplied by x squared. Now there's some x terms here and here. Let's combine those. Again, to combine two terms, you combine the coefficients. We have positive 4a and a minus 4. And that's being multiplied to x. And finally, there's a negative 4 here and a positive 4 here. When you combine those cancel out completely. Now we are told that this expression is equal to bx. Notice that on the right-hand side, there is no x squared term. What that tells us is that this has to be a 0, so that we have 0x squared. That is no x squared term. So if 4a minus 1 has to be equal to 0, then what does a have to be equal to? Add 1 and divide by 4, and we figured out that a is 1/4. Now let's focus our attention right here, knowing that a is 1/4. So 4 times 1/4, subtract 4. That makes negative 3. That's the coefficient of x. And on the right-hand side, the coefficient of x is the letter b. Those have to be equal to each other. Therefore, b is negative 3. It is choice B.